50 plus. What the customer says is wrong with it is a charging port, so let's connect it up and let's see what's going on with it. All right, we've connected up our meter. We can see that it's not drawing anything to charge the battery. We have no charging symbol on the screen. Let's go ahead and let's see what's wrong with the charging port. All right, what you can see, there's a charging port that's going underneath the microscope. Oh, there we go. Move it down, over, and there's our charging port. This is the charging port. Look at it. It's not soldered in. So we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna solder that port in, and we should be good to go. All right. So we got some flux on there. Let's put some solder on now.